Today our first day class, so we have to introduce with the Microsoft Office. So what is Microsoft Office? Microsoft Office is one of the most popular word processing software. So this Microsoft Office can do editing, formatting, can make is easier to print and can save also. So our first basic job is computer is Microsoft Office. So everybody must need to know about Microsoft Office. So we have to introduce with the some basic knowledge. Example is keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, it. So keyboard also can be divided into two types: multimedia keyboard and normal keyboard. And mouse also can be divided into two types: normal mouse and laser beam mouse. Okay, and also we have to know about hard disk, processor, RAM. So everything we know, then only we can do the computer job. So computer is very important thing for everybody, because now is. So that's all for today. Listen, I hope every student understand what I want to say, what I want to do, and what I want to give to them training. So I want to say one thing: good is not enough for us. Whatever do, you shall do, nothing hide. Okay, thanks.